going to crochet these adorable little mini wings, which are super quick, easy, and no-sew, and they make great little angel wings, wings for dragons, for pegasus, for all sorts of amigurumis like chickens, ducks, birds, etc. You'll just need some yarn and a suitable size hook for it. I am using here super bulky weight chenille velvet yarn and a 5mm hook. We're going to start with 5 chains. To begin your chains, you're going to start with a slip knot first, and then now I'm going to chain 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now starting in that second chain from your hook, you're going to insert 3 single crochets. So here's single crochet 1, going into the next chain, single crochet 2, and in that next chain, single crochet 3. And now in that very last chain that you have, you're going to single crochet 5 all in that same stitch. So here I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And that concludes the 5 single crochets in the same chain. Now we're going to work on the other side of the chain, because those 5 single crochets brings us to the other side. We're going to now single crochet 2. So going into that first stitch, single crochet 1, next one, single crochet 2. And that's all. We're not going to keep crocheting. Now we're going to chain 1 and turn the piece. This is round 2. And for round 2, after you chain and turn, we're going to single crochet 3. So going into that same stitch from the chain, you're going to single crochet 1, in the next stitch, single crochet 2, in the next stitch, single crochet 3. And then we're going to increase 2. So in this next stitch, I'm putting 2 single crochets in the same stitch. In the next stitch is my second increase, 2 single crochets in the same stitch, and then single crochet 4. So that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we do not want to continue on. We're leaving this so that it forms a little bump for the wing. And for round 3, we're now going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, turn the piece, start from the second chain from the hook, by the way, and from the second chain, you're going to single crochet 7. So here in this next second chain from the hook, I'm going to single crochet 1, then in the next chain, single crochet 2, single crochet 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then in the very next stitch, you're just going to slip stitch. And after you do that, you can actually fasten off with a long tail for sewing, and you'll have this cute little wing shape formed. It will help if your wing is curling a lot to kind of pull at the stitches to loosen them, because if you're crocheting with a tight tension, it can make the stitches curl. So pulling on the stitches will loosen it up and help it become more flat. Now all you have to do is fasten off with a long tail, and you can go ahead and use that long tail to sew to your amigurumi. And for this starting yarn tail, you can weave it in and pull it into the doll as well. Go ahead and repeat the instructions so that you have 2 wings. And with these 2 wings, you can add them on to your amigurumi. I'm putting it on to my pocket pony here. And these mini wings are the perfect size for this cute little pony. You can use sewing pins to kind of pin them in place before you actually sew them down to check the positioning of these. And when you're happy with the position, you can go ahead and sew them down. Hope you had a fun time crocheting. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe, that'll help me out so much, and hope you enjoy more tutorials.